It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi today. So the question is, are gold funds a good investment option?
I think gold mutual fund schemes are good investment provided it should be part of your asset allocation. And typically what happens is gold is being there for some period of time now. It's about 12, 13 years. The gold funds are available in the market. They have established themselves. And typically what happens is when you are investing, and we as Indians have also love for gold also. So what we are doing is there are various occasions on which we are buying certain gold coins, certain jewelries, and typically storing is a challenging task. What mutual fund does is it's a paper kind of a thing, but it is ultimately investing into gold only. So probably in that way, a small part of the asset allocation can come towards gold through gold funds.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.